Alex here. A mainstream media outlet was filming as camera pool on this one, and it looks like they were filming for, I don't know what you want to call it, purposes of putting visual behind a speaker like an anchor or a reporter. So there's going to be some holes punched in the audio, and it's going to jump around quite a bit. Sorry about that. I'll see what I can do to prevent this from being another problem in the future in this department with this particular news outlet.
This is the time set for case number CR 25-2208. Councilor Steinheimer, thank you.
Good morning, I'm Lauren Gorman, and I'm attending on behalf of Stephen Kromer, who is present and outlet.
Thank you. Set for arraignment on information that was filed in this case on September. Are you ready to proceed with the arraignment?
We are, Your Honor.
Have you received a copy and provided that to your client?
We have, Your Honor.
Are you familiar with the contents and proceed with arraignment?
We will wait, Your Honor.
Are you ready to enter a plea?
We are.
What is that?
Not guilty, Your Honor.
Okay, I was really asking Ms. Gorman, but Mr. Kromer, that you've had enough time to discuss your case with your attorneys.
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you know what's happening here today?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you have any questions about it?
No, Your Honor.
Do you want to enter a plea, as you just told me?
Yes, please.
And have you discussed with your counsel all the facts and circumstances which resulted in these proceedings being brought against you?
Yes, Your Honor.
Have you discussed the possible defenses that might be available to you under the law?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you satisfied and comfortable with your representation, their representation of you so far?
Yes, Your Honor.
Now, the information in this case charges you with, I think it's 30 counts, is that correct?
I think it's 31.
31 counts of various charges involve $25,000, but not more than $100,000. And then counts 2 through 31, theft in amount greater than $100,000 each. Do you understand those charges?
Yes, Your Honor.
So, sir, how do you plead to count 1,
I plead not guilty.
count 2,
Not guilty.
count 3,
Not guilty.
count 4,
Not guilty.
count 5,
Not guilty.
count 6,
Not guilty.
count 7,
Not guilty.
count 8,
Not guilty.
count 9,
Not guilty.
count 10,
Not guilty.
count 11,
Not guilty.
12,
Not guilty.
13,
Not guilty.
14,
Not guilty.
15,
Not guilty.
16,
Not guilty.
17,
Not guilty.
18,
Not guilty.
19,
Not guilty.
20.
Not guilty.
Count 21,
Not guilty.
22,
Not guilty.
23,
Not guilty.
24,
Not guilty.
25,
Not guilty.
26,
Not guilty.
27,
Not guilty.
28,
Not guilty.
29,
Not guilty.
30,
Not guilty.
31.
Not guilty, Your Honor.
Sir, do you understand that you have a right to plead guilty if you want in this case?
Yes, Your Honor.
But you've chosen to plead not guilty. Do you understand that you have a right to have a trial within 60 days of today's date?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you understand that if you waive that right, you cannot later complain about continuances that are required by the court's calendar or other circumstances?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you acknowledge at this time that you would discuss this right with your counsel?
Yes.
Are you ready to make a decision in that regard?
Yes.
Do you want your trial within 60 days?
No.
You waive that right?
Yes.
Counsel, Ms. Gorman, with regard to the defendant's name, is it correctly spelled on the information that was filed in this matter?
It is correctly spelled.
And sir, that is your true and correct name?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. Counsel, have you discussed potential trial dates?
We have, Your Honor, and I think the parties are in agreement. We've been at least in communication with their chambers. I think the parties are all in agreement with the trial date to commence on June 2nd, 2027.
And how long will the trial take?
We anticipate 20 days, Your Honor.
So that's a month of trial days. 20 days
Correct, Your Honor. I think it was set for 4 weeks to begin on June 2nd and to conclude no later than June 27th, with my understanding.
Okay, and, the state has, no objection to setting this out that far?
That's correct, Your Honor. Those dates were contemplated ahead of time.
So both sides are waiving the district court rule that the trial must be set within a year?
Correct.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. What is the status of the discovery in this case?
Your Honor, to the state's knowledge, all discovery has been provided to defense, that's in the state's possession.
Then, based upon the defendant's plea, we will set trial. The clerk will give us the date for the starting of the trial. And it's understood that this case will take approximately 20 days.
Trial will begin June 2nd, 2027. Motion to confirm will be Thursday, May 6th, 2027.
Counsel, is there any reason to delay preliminary pretrial motion in this case?
So in terms of the standard pretrial motion deadlines, I think this is the first time we've had a felony case in front of this court. I don't know if the court, is the standard pretrial orders with respect to pretrial motions?
I set a scheduling order. I will be entering a discovery order for reciprocal discovery, and then I will also enter a scheduling order wherein I set deadlines for notice of experts, objections to the experts, deadlines for pretrial motions and oppositions and replies. I would also like to set aside a hearing date for those motions in advance of trial. So normally, these motions would be heard within the trial. You've asked for a trial setting in 2027, which is significantly ahead of time, but the question is there any reason to delay setting the pretrial motions and getting that resolved?
Your Honor, one reason might be that I anticipated starting in that time period, about 6 months out, at least a 4-month trial in a RICO case in Las Vegas. And so if we could delay it out beyond at least the end of that trial date, which I would anticipate would be done by August of 2026, that would be helpful to us.
Okay, any objection?
Your Honor, I think that's appropriate. The parties have been continually ongoing with negotiations as well. I think that gives us time to kind of get everything lined up and know if we need to move forward with those motions or not at that time.
Okay, we will set the deadline for filing pretrial motions and notice of experts of September 17th, 2026. Oppositions and requests for hallmark hearing must be filed no later than September 28th. Replies will be allowed until October 1st. We will look for a hearing date to have an evidentiary hearing or arguments on anything that is filed. And we'll set that we'll set that for Wednesday, October 28th at 2 p.m.
Thank you.
And when you, that's what the special order will say, we will enter that. In your calendars, say the afternoon of October 29th, also in case you have extensive pretrial hearings and evidentiary hearings that we have to hold, we would continue over until the next day in the afternoon.
Understood.
All right, thank you. Pretrial services, do you have an update on Mr. Kromer's release?
Yes, Your Honor, Mary Marks for Control Services. He is currently checking in and he's compliant with us. He's checking in and he's on GPS with house arrest and he's compliant with both of those.
All right, thank you. Does anyone have any requests with regard to his pretrial custody?
None from the state, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. Then, Mr. Kromer, I'll see you back at your next hearing.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Next matter is